I'm trying to figure out how can I show you the contributions of Che for just 5 minutes. Let's find out. Ooh, here are some prominent chemical engineers in various industries. Let's try to click on Andrew Grove and see what industry he belongs to. Great, it's electronics. Well, basically this industry is all about electronic products we use, like our mobile phones and televisions. In the Philippines, there's this company we call SAPI that focuses on semiconductors. Speaking of semiconductors, this is a breakthrough of Che to this industry. Our electronic devices get smaller and smaller, yet they continue to do more and more. Interestingly, this is the largest contributor to the country's manufacturing sector. Here's Andrew Grove, a founding member of Intel, and Fortunato de la Peña, the Undersecretary of the UST. Now we know that Andrew Grove is electronics. I wonder what's next. Let's try clicking Jack Welch. Awesome, it's energy! In this industry, we talk about production and sale of energy. We talk about electricity, our renewable resources. Here's the Agua 6 power plant. Speaking of harnessing electricity throughout Mindanao, associated with this power plant. This is one of the contributions of Che to energy. Did you know what's the dominant energy source in the country? Well, it's coal, and as of 2018, it shares a gross power generation of 52%. Back to Jack Welch. He is an engineer, businessman, and CEO of GE. Cool fact, Thomas Edison, the inventor of the telegraph, is one of the founding members of this company. Here's Noel Aureliano. He served as president of JP Che and now works in ASEAN. So Grove is electronics and Welch is energy. How about Weber? When it's greeny, is the environment industry. This industry aims to protect and improve the environment. One company would be the ERG-APC. This is the leading supplier of air pollution control and such. Think about catalytic converters for cars' exhausted gas, cleaner water, air pollution control, and you'll remember the contribution of Che to this industry. All of this is done by innovation through research. Walter Weber Jr. is considered as the father of activated carbon treatment of water and wastewater. Also, here is Ralph Yan. Halfway there, Cactiong is the next. And it is the food and fisheries industry. Think of the last food you ate, where you bought it, and how it's made. You'll think of this industry. Now think of sardines. Well, here's Mega Global, the company behind the #1 sardines in the country. Quality assurance and packaging are their main concerns. When popping your favorite ready-to-eat meal in the microwave, thank chemical engineers. Did you know that Jollibee owner is a chemical engineer? Well, Cactiong studied BS Che at UST. And who could forget Haber-Bosch process? Ammonia is made from nitrogen and hydrogen gases in industries. Credit goes to Fritz Haber. 2 more to go, the video's not longer for Langer. And it's the material science. This industry speaks of designing and discovering materials, particularly solids. Here, the Cemex Holdings Philippines leans to the production and market of cement. We love plastics and rubber, and this is one of the physical evidences of Che to this industry. They do this by classifying, analyzing, and determining their compositions and its microstructure. We took Langer longer, but here he is. Also, Sharon Glotzer on the Award on Materials Research Society in 2017. We now have 5 industries. What could be the last one? Well, it's medicine. And by that, your life has prolonged and become way better because of this industry. Subsequently, Merck is one of the world's leading pharmaceutical healthcare companies. It's good to know that this industry is one of the fastest growing among such in the country yearly. To cement it, this sector ranks top 22% in the Philippines. Contribution of Che to here is making optimum drugs, and at the same time, prices are economically fragrant on the market. This industry would include David Edwards, who has major development on drug delivery platforms, and Langer's back. Collating everything we learned, now we know that chemical engineering is not just about mixing chemicals in labs, but it extends to almost all manufacturing industries. We thank George Davis for being the foundation of chemical engineering. That's it, folks. Hope you got enlightened for new things, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers!